Okay, I created a Java file here that actually have a class array test. It's right there. That's include a main method to actually instantiate the class and create object. And the object in questions is of type animal here. I have an animal class here with three attributes. Okay, these are class attribute. It's actually type attribute name type, attribute name numLeg, attribute name wing, and below that for these are the class constructor here to take care of those attributes, right? As you can see, when you create an object of type animal, you actually require to send in the type, the number of leg, what kind of animal, number of leg, and number of wings, right? And you take care of those arguments here. You assign it to the class attribute. Okay, so going back to the main methods here, I create those objects, right? Because we are going to build an array of objects, I actually initialize three objects here, instantiate three objects. Object one, what type of animal is this? It's a dog that with four legs and there's no wing. Object number two, it's a dolphin. It's a fish with no leg and no wing. And object three is an eagle that has two legs and it has wing, right? Boolean true. And here is the array. I declare the array here of type animal with new elements. Okay, so now I'm going to actually assign the element to the array, index. So I'm going to go kingdom index 0. Okay, array index start at 0. I will assign, or I am assigning object 1 to it. And okay, next one is going to, the next element is, okay, the next element is index 1. Going to assign object 2 to it, and index 2 has three elements, so index 2 is going to be object number 3. So I just actually initialize my array to objects there. And down below, within the class animal here, I declare two methods, right? One method to take care of the behavior of those objects. I call that method, which is static void behavior. And I have a second method here within that class called show attribute. And within that show attribute, because it is an array, it's probably easier to understand by using for loops. So I cycle through the array index here, right? From 0 to the uh, index length, right, which is 3, so 1 0 1 2, and I will print out the type of animal, number of legs that it has, and does it have a wing, yes or no. Okay, so this is the method show attribute. Okay, and with that method there require that you pass the arrays of animal. Okay, so I'm going to be, okay, because this method is a static method, so I can actually use the class to call it, which is animals dot show attribute and kingdom. Okay, so I'm calling that, and I expect it to work, but before I do that, I will just say that this is to show the attribute. Okay, show attributes, and I don't see any error. I'm going to run it. I hope it works. Okay, it does work, right? It shows you the type of animal, dog, legs 4, wings is 4. And now let's just take care of the behavior of that object, which is animal object. Now behavior here, I'm going to create a for loop that use the numLeg as in a condition, right? NumLeg is the loop condition. Okay, so I just say that for, again, I'm going to cycle it through the loop in I equals 0, I less than kingdom, the kingdom length, and okay, and what I do there, okay, I'm going to say if kingdom I, index I, dot condition, which is number of leg, okay, equal 4. If that is true, I'm going to print what I'm going to print. I'm going to say leg, 4-leg. Okay, so it's like 4-legged animal can run. Okay, and the next one, L if, and if the animal has 2 legs, Control C here. It has 2 legs here. Okay, and I'm going to say okay, 2-legged animal can fly. I'm just going to flies and else. That's the last one, right? So 0-leg. Okay, so 0-legged animal can swim. Okay. All right. Okay, I think that should do it. And now I'm going to call it and see what happened. Okay, it's a static method, so I just going to using the same thing. Show attribute. Okay. I'm just gonna say display behavior, right? Display behavior and let me see. Show. Okay, it's a void method, so I think that should do it. I'm going to run it. Okay, there you go. So display behavior. All right, I just need to take care of the output real quick, and that's gonna be carry return there, carry return here, and run it. Just make sure it look a little bit better. Okay, it's working. So anyway, all right, okay, there. All right. Anyway, I'm going to stop this